Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to utilize the auto services within Salezmedia. So let's get started. To begin, simply open Salezmedia within your preferred browser and log in. If you face any difficulties, please refer to our previous tutorial. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to the new order page. Within the category field, select the category which contains the word auto, such as auto post likes or auto post views. Within the service field, select the specific auto service which you require. Enter the username into the designated field for which you require the auto services. In the new post field, please indicate the desired quantity of auto service for upcoming posts. For example, if you require auto service for the next 10 posts, please specify 10. If you wish to use the service for old posts, you may indicate the desired quantity in the old post field. It is recommended to leave this field as 0. Within the quantity field, specify the minimum and maximum amount of service required. Supposedly, you need 500 likes, so in minimum we have to mention 499 and in maximum 500. It is important to note that orders cannot be placed below the specified minimum quantity. The delay field allows you to specify the desired amount of delay for the service. However, we recommend you not to delay the service. Within the expiry field, please input the last date of the service. Finally, click the Submit button to place your order. You can check the status of your order within the subscription section.